It was my first semester at college, and they had us write a paper, basically. It was an argumentative paper. And funny enough, I chose college versus trade school. And I was sitting there and I realized I have convinced myself that I want to go to trade school. I didn't want to go to school anymore. I wanted to go out and I wanted to learn about cars more than I have already had. And so basically at university, I wrote a paper, convinced myself to drop out and come here. Hi, my name is Gavin Campbell. I'm from Oregon. I'm in automotive and I'm taking street rod as a specialty. What got me in this industry is I just decided one day that I was gonna search up how to do an oil change, and it kind of all expanded from there. I started doing oil changes and got into off-roading, and I realized that I'm not gonna be happy sitting in an office all day. I don't want to. I want to sit in the garage, and I want it to be like the old times where me and my friends would throw on some tunes and pop the hood on whatever it was. And I'll tell you what, it wasn't the nicest cars, but it was the funnest time. So coming here really was just to expand my knowledge, and I realized how good of a school it was. My favorite type of vehicle to work on is probably Toyotas. I've had Toyotas all my life. I just have a passion for building them and making them into what I want it to be. I have a 99 Toyota Forerunner that I've been kind of just maintaining and trying to keep as nice as I can. I repainted it, the engine was completely rebuilt, the transmission was completely rebuilt, the frame was completely torn down, taken, powder coated. Just a ton of work has been done to it, and I love that thing with all my life. And it's a mountain rig, that's what it's meant to do. I already have a job lined up with Lithia down in Klamath Falls, Oregon. I would also like to obviously become a master mechanic in whatever field. I'm hoping it's Toyota, we'll see. When it comes to a younger person and giving them some life advice, I've done it. I've gone to the university and I've gone to the trade school, and I'll tell you right now, it's all about what you want to do. If you see yourself being a mechanic or being in the industry at all, I would say jump on it. I would say 100%. It is so worth it to come to a school that these instructors care about you. They'll explain anything to you, and it's been such a good experience. I would say jump for it. I would say jump head first. Go for it.